There was once a man named Harold, known throughout his town as the miser. From a very young age, he had developed an obsession with saving money. He cut every corner, avoided every expense, and denied himself even the simplest pleasures of life. While others in his community enjoyed gatherings, invested in small businesses, or spent on education for their children, Harold saved every coin and stacked it away. To many, it seemed like discipline, but what he lacked was purpose. Saving without direction became Harold's way of life. And though his piles of coins grew higher, his life grew emptier. Harold lived in a small, broken-down house, wore the same worn clothes for decades, and refused to spend on health, comfort, or even opportunities that could have multiplied his wealth. People admired his commitment to frugality, but often whispered behind his back that his money seemed to own him, rather than the other way around. One day, a wealthy merchant visited Harold. Seeing the dusty jars and old boxes filled with coins, the merchant asked Harold what he planned to do with all that money. Harold, with pride, responded that he saved it for safety. The merchant then asked, "And what has your safety given you? Do you feel richer than those who live well, eat well, and invest in growth?" Harold had no answer. His money was not working for him. It was stagnant, trapped, and as lifeless as the dust-covered containers that held it. Over the years, Harold's health began to fail. He refused to pay for proper treatment, believing it was too expensive. He declined opportunities to invest in land, business, or education, fearing loss. In the end, his coins never grew into wealth. They simply remained hidden, unused, and meaningless. When Harold passed away, his distant relatives discovered the stash of money. They used it to buy homes, start businesses, and enjoy lives of comfort and prosperity. Ironically, the money that Harold sacrificed his entire life to hoard benefited everyone except him. He had spent his years clinging to the illusion of wealth while never experiencing the reality of it. His tragedy became a lesson for generations. Saving is important, but saving without purpose is as dangerous as reckless spending. True wealth is not just about accumulation. It is about using money as a tool to invest, to grow, to create opportunities, and to improve life for yourself and others. Harold's story reminds us that money is meant to circulate with intention. When saved with purpose, it becomes the seed of investments, the shield of security, and the foundation of a better life. But when hoarded without vision, it becomes little more than paper and metal, robbed of its potential. Many people today unknowingly fall into Harold's trap. They fear spending so much that they miss opportunities to invest in education, in skills, in business ventures, or even in their own health. They may feel secure holding on to money, but in reality, their fear keeps them poor in experience, growth, and happiness. The lesson is clear. Saving alone will not make you wealthy. Purposeful saving combined with smart investing, wise spending, and clear financial goals is what creates true prosperity. Your money should work for you, not sit idle. Ask yourself, are you saving with a plan or simply hoarding out of fear? Let Harold's story serve as a reminder that wealth is not found in jars of coins or dusty accounts, but in the opportunities you create by using money wisely. If this story gave you a new perspective on money and the importance of saving with purpose, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends who need this wisdom, and subscribe to the channel for more inspiring money stories and life-changing lessons.